Let's make this delicious Nigerian okra soup you will ever taste. For those on a weight loss journey, I will be showing you how to portion your okra soup to achieve your weight loss goals. So stick to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much. For the ingredients we'll be using, we have our fresh okra, we have crayfish, red oil. We'll be using dry fish and smoked fish, stock fish. The cow leg is already cooked. Then we're using pomo, fresh ugu leaves, seasoning, salt, and fresh pepper. I like to chop my okra because I like my okra very crunchy. I also grate some of it, just a little, so that the soup can be slimy. My ugu leaves have already been washed. I like washing it before chopping so that most of the nutrients would not leach into the water. I also wash my crayfish before grinding it just to remove the dirt and sand that comes with most of them. I wash my dry fish with salt to remove the dirt and the sand. Now I have all my ingredients ready, so it's time to cook. There are many ways to cook your okra soup. You can either fry it or not, but today I chose to fry my okra soup, and trust me, this frying also tastes very, very nice. After allowing my red oil to heat a little, I added my chopped onions. I also added the pepper and the crayfish. I allowed it to simmer for some minutes before adding my stock fish to it. After leaving it to boil for some minutes, I added my dry fish and my smoked fish to it. I added the seasoning cubes and salt for taste. And I'll leave that to also boil for a few minutes. And I proceeded to add the cow leg and the cow skin, also known as pomo. It's time to add the okra and stir. Leave for a few minutes to boil, not too much so it can still be crunchy. Add the ugu leaves and allow it to boil for a minute. And there you have it, your delicious okra soup is ready. Okra soup is rich in nutrients. It is packed with vitamins like vitamin A, C, and K, and minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Okra is low in calories but high in fiber, which supports weight management. For weight loss goals, you'll be using this measuring cup to measure your meal. You just need 1 cup of your swallow, any swallow of your choice, paired with 1 to 1.5 cup of your okra soup. This should give you about 450 to 550 calories. The fiber content of the okra soup helps with satiety, making you feel full. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment down below with your thoughts, and I hope to see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.